Okay, let's get started. Today the date is 25th of November and time is 10:30 right now. And there's maybe some of you are on holidays, so maybe got less people on the webinar. Anyway, let's get started. Last week we talked about the S&P index and that everything is already overbought. Sorry, everything was overbought, and we can see from here, price started to correct, okay? Because this is a very strong uptrend. This is a very strong uptrend. So price started to correct, but didn't touch the 10 MA. Instead went into the 20 MA, okay? But you can see from here, the CCI last week from very overbought, okay? Right now has go into oversold. Okay, it's went into oversold, and then right now it's rebounding from the oversold position. Okay, rebounding back to the swing again. Okay, so there is another possible swing on the daily charts. Okay, on the daily charts, there's another possible swing, and this will bring us at least maybe back to this level, which is the previous resistance. Okay. This will actually maybe bring us back to the previous resistance over here, okay? So this is for the daily charts, okay? S&P daily charts, we have a price going from overbought, now back to oversold, testing the 10 MA, we can see from here the tail, and then right now doing a swing back to the high again, okay? This is on the S&P 500 daily charts, okay? On the weekly charts, we can see from here, price has been moving up, moving up. Last week was a pause, okay? Last week was a pause. And so on the weekly charts, it's still overbought, okay? So right now, we not sure whether the price will continue, go to sideways and then maybe later turn down, or at this point, the high and low. The high and low will become the determinant factor, okay? So if we have this move up already and we have this pause, if we can go above the high, okay, if we go above the high here, then maybe for the upside, okay? If we can go sideways or down, okay, then we will see the price pulling back into the MA over here, okay? So right now on the weekly charts, we still need to wait. Okay, weekly charts, we still need to wait for pullback into the MA again. Okay, like what happened to the daily charts. Okay, at least we must pull back into the 10 MA, which is this line here. The price must pull back 10 MA for a possible swing up again. Okay, if not at this point, I don't think that is a good trade. Okay, the risk reward is actually not there. Okay, any question? So daily chart, there was a swing, okay, up again. Okay, yesterday, Friday was the first day, and then right now is the third day. Okay, Friday was the first day because the swing CCI low, and then this first day, and then for the next few days. Okay, if it goes this way, goes sideways, then we're looking for the down. If it from here break up, then looking for the up for the weekly charts. Okay, if not, then we go to HSI, Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index is, even though today futures may be slightly up, I think we are still on a down mode. Okay, we are still on a down mode, or at least a consolidation mode right now. Okay, so we have this consolidation and this consolidation mode here. Likelihood it will continue to consolidate sideways. Okay, the turning point will really be this high over here, which you see at 27,900 area. Okay, if we can overcome this 27,900, then possible it can go up higher. Okay, but meanwhile, I think the likelihood is still going to be consolidating. Okay, if it breaks below this low, which is 26,100, then the continuation is more towards the continuation is more towards down. Okay, so right now, meanwhile, it is consolidating. Okay, that is for the Hang Seng Index chart. Okay, on the weekly, the daily charts is unclear. Okay, so the price are pretty messy. Okay, it's pretty messy. We have this break below the MA, break above the MA, break below the MA, break above the MA. So it's pretty messy on the daily swing. Okay, so I won't do daily swing on this. I won't do daily swing on Hang Seng Index. Got it? Any question? If it's good that you all have don't have more question, can reply me. Okay. Thanks. Okay, so we go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is same thing. Okay, this is last week one. Last week we mentioned that price will pull back into our MA. Happened to pull back already. Okay, so one thing to take note is this is a very strong uptrend. Okay, it's a very strong uptrend. So possible sometimes it will not, when the CCI goes to minus 100. Okay, it may not drop to 20 MA. Okay, and our price drop to 10 MA. Okay, if it goes above the high, I think we are likely it will go to have this swing. Okay, likely gonna have this swing from here. Likely you have this swing up back to retest this MA again. Okay, that's for the daily charts. Okay, for the weekly charts, same thing. Okay, weekly charts will be waiting for price to pull back into my MA. So I think still on the weekly charts, we still have to wait for pullback. Okay. So right now the price has moved up. How many candles? More than 5 candles, 7 candles, right? Okay, so it's telling you it's very bullish. Okay, so at this moment there's a pause. Okay, there's a pause over here. The high and low will become the determining factor. Okay, the high and low will become the determining factor. So if after the pause consolidate, you can continue to go up, or you can pause and then pull back into the MA. Okay. Any question? No? Okay, go to STI. Not this one. STI. Okay, so STI on the weekly charts first. So we have the weekly charts, also similar to the Hang Seng Index, more like a consolidation mode. The price is going sideways. You can see the MA are not very certain, up or down. Okay, even in the big context, it's still consolidating. Okay. It's still consolidating, and this is on the weekly charts. On the daily charts is daily charts. There's a possible setup. Okay, price went down here into my 10 MA. This is a very strong uptrend. So price went down to 10 MA, went up and then got stopped out. Okay, because there is a further down. Okay, there's a further down move here. Okay, by right, if you go to here. Okay, you go to here, CCI low, get ready, then you have rate high. But what happened? It went down to retest the 20 MA again. So if you count candles from here down to here, wow, quite a lot of candles down. Okay, it is possible because of this up move. That's why we have this so many candles down. Okay, I feel it's hard to trade because this high here. This high here, it is not a recent high. So if you look backwards, at least we need like maybe a 6 months high. So we look backwards here, this high is only like a 1 month, 2 month, 2.5 months high. Do you follow what I'm saying? At least we need to have a higher high to trade. And this high, we need at least 6 months to at least 6 months to have a clear trending up. Got it? Okay, any questions? no questions, let's go into your individual stocks. We have more time today. Maybe we can go more in detail. Yeah, so STI is consolidating. It's going sideways. Okay, it's going sideways. The levels to look at, it will be actually this one. This is the high. Okay, so we need to break above this high. Okay, to have a little bit more confirm. Okay, and I think you need to even clear this high to be more confirm. So let's say example, price do this and then clear the high. Okay, and by then hopefully we have a more than 6 month high. Okay, let's say example, price clear this high, clear this high. Hopefully by then we have more than 6 month high. Okay, so right now it's still in that consolidating mode. Okay, so it's hard to trade like that because unless you have to buy support, sell resistance, means at every resistance you buy, every resistance you sell, every support you buy. So it can be a possible strategy also. So means you look at buy support, sell resistance. Okay. Okay. If not, let's go into your individual stocks screening. Okay, so in the screening part, we can look for daily swing on Nasdaq, daily swing buy. I think there will be possible quite a lot of stocks daily swing. Okay, you can see from here, so many stocks for daily swing. Okay, ranked by arrows. Okay, Apple. Okay, some of these stocks, right? Some of these stocks went parabolic. Like Apple, I feel it's a bit parabolic. Yes or no? Oh, Apple is a bit parabolic trend, right? Okay. Seow also a bit parabolic. Yes or no? Okay. So from here, this is a very steep up, and then I think this one halted. Okay. And so try not to choose stocks that are too steep. Okay. They are too steep. So if they are too steep, maybe not so good also. Okay. This one not so good because we have a gap up and then a price move down. This move is also pretty strong now. Yes or not? Okay. This one got more than 5 days. Actually, today is 5 days, but the move is pretty strong now also. Okay. So need to look at individual trade setup. Okay, for them. Okay. Need to look for individual trade setup. Okay, so maybe this one is not bad. Okay, so we have a recent high. Our price is not crazy parabolic. Okay, and when we have a consolidating, we have a thief, we have a doji here. We are waiting for price to clear the high. Okay, so maybe Google is possible. So important part is to must clear this high to go higher. Okay. Okay, so I will also just do a caveat here. I think S&P index, right? S&P index, you can still go in. Okay, you can still go in provided if today we can continue to maintain above this high. Okay, that means get the trigger above this high, 3111. Okay, once above this high, then you consider a trigger. Okay, that's about the only thing. Okay. Okay, so context is look for the tell us long or short, because not long or short, and then the type of trade, which is what Bruce did, and then thanks Grace. So good. Okay. Okay. So okay, VRSN. This is dyslexic. VRSN. VRSN still like VS. Okay. So this one is looking for daily swing buy. Okay, daily swing buy. I will not look at this one because they must make a recent high. Okay, so one of the context of recent high is it must at least have a 6 months high. Okay, at least a 6-month high to have a trend. Okay, so this stock has it's not a recent high right now. Okay, however, maybe on a weekly charts, weekly chart cannot. Weekly charts will break below the 48. Okay, so I will not do this stock for daily swing. Okay, one of the criteria is it must have a recent high. Okay, so next one is a weekly long Roku. Weekly long for Roku. Okay, weekly long already, correct or not? So we have this price coming down, correct or not? Okay, price coming down into here, and then we have a trigger up already, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then right now, price pullback. If price pullback into my MA, then what happens is we do not have a recent high. So we have this high here, we have this high here. So I wouldn't take this trade on the weekly swing. Okay, I will not take this trade on a weekly swing also. Okay, can you see here? The trigger was here, and then it formed this high. Then right now price pullback and then make a recent high again. So we have this jigger. Okay, so it is jigger, then not so good. Okay, so another thing to take note is this stock also has a parabolic trend. Okay, also has this parabolic trend thing. Okay, so once the stock go into parabolic trend, must be careful. Oh, like we have a consecutive how many days? Wow, so many days of high. So must be careful already. Okay. Next is so don't have so weekly one also same. Okay, weekly one also must have recent high. So generally you want to have a recent high like that. Okay, so this high look back. Okay. Next one is SYK. So they're quite serious, SYK. For the daily swing sell, okay. Daily swing sell actually already triggered. Edison, are you in already or not yet? Edison, are you in the position or not yet? Okay, so actually it's triggered already. So you can see from here, we have this price going to here, and then triggered because it went down. Okay, right now it's already oversold. Yes or no? Okay, it's already oversold. So you need to wait for it to go down, go up again. Okay. You can see? Okay. So when you do the scanning, right, likelihood SKY will have appeared around here. A few days ago, when it's around here, the scan should appear. Okay, now it's a triggered already. Triggered is actually this one. Okay, so open high, close low, break the candle, break the previous day low. Okay, you see from here, it didn't break the previous day low until here. Okay, so when you break the previous day low, there will be a trigger. Okay, OELD. Swing, daily swing buy. Okay, similar to the previous stock. Okay, so some of this pullback is OELD is daily swing. Okay. Okay. So similarly, okay, must have recent high. This one don't have recent high. Oh, so we have the price here. The price here, this high. You look back, only about 1.5 months, 2 months. Oh, don't have. Okay, don't have recent high also. Okay, so nothing to take note of the weekly charts here. This is not a measured pullback. This is not. This is a high, and this is not a measured pullback. This is a strong down move. Okay, and then from there consolidate. Excuse me, and then testing another high. So right now here, right, it is possible that this is a swing high. Okay, so if there's a swing high and then this is a swing high, then we don't have new high already. Okay, for universe this OELD. Okay, prior to that, you have this bounce. We have this bounce. Okay, this price come down to this MA. Okay, but this move was pretty strong. Okay, pretty strong and slowly slow down and then rebounding. Okay, so rebounding count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause and then price starting to go down. Okay, so if this then go down to this leg to oversold, then we don't have recent high. Yes or no? Because this high compared to this high, there's another high here. Oh. Okay, any question? So the weekly charts, we also need to have recent high, like for example, here there's a recent high, here there's a recent high, here there's a recent high. Do you follow what I'm saying? So like example, here there's a recent high, here there's a recent high, but here right now there's no recent high. Okay, so HD weekly charts. HD or HD. Okay. Weekly charts. HD weekly charts. Okay, you see from this chart here, what is not good about the HD? You can all see this move here, right, is pretty strong, very long. Okay, so it's not measured. Okay, it's not measured move. So, for example, from here to here, this move is considered measured because it's a leg, right? It's from here to here. This is a leg down. This is measured. So from here to here, here to here, this is measured. Okay, from here to here to here, here is measured. Okay, this is using the 10 MA to make high, right? So from here, there's a high. Then price will go sideways, then price go this way down. Okay, so this is not measured. So this one also not so good setup. Okay, not so good setup. Okay, I'm sure they are set up right on the weekly charts. Let me find, see whether I can find. So that's why I find Google, right? Google is not bad. Okay, Google is not bad on the weekly charts. Okay, so what you should do is you should go to here, NASDAQ weekly, rank by arrow, and then find the arrows. Okay, this one also didn't make recent high, right? So we have price here, this is a high here. So this one no weekly swing high. So I will skip this one. This one not bad. The only thing is, I think the only thing is parabolic. Okay, you see it's parabolic move. Price coming down by MA. And we have how many weeks? We have like consolidation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of pullback. Okay, not triggered also. Okay, another thing is also this is a parabolic move. Can you see? It's a parabolic move. This part here from here to here is parabolic. So I will skip that. Energy, weekly charts. Maybe this one not bad. Okay, so we have a recent high. Okay, we have this pause over here, but this move down also, so not the best. Okay, so typically you want to see like clear measured move down. Okay, clear measured move down is the best. Okay, that means 5 candle down, nice. Short candles, that's the best you want to look for. Short candles, 5 candle down, I think that's the best. Okay, Arch Capital, I think not bad. Okay, Arch Capital Group. This one maybe is a bit controlled. Okay, you can see from here, This is a bit controlled. You see, on the way up, it's very nicely controlled. So possible there's one more swing back up here. Okay. Cone weekly charts more than 5 candles, right? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so many candles. Okay, so it pull back into my MA, too long already. Okay, nice. This is not bad, okay, nice, right? Okay, so we have the recent high, price pullback. Okay, this is a base, right? From here oversold. Yes or no? Then from here make to high. Okay, price coming back down into over MA. Okay, and then we have the CCI. CCI, hopefully next candle will start to consolidate. Okay, consolidate over here. We have a small CCI go to oversold, and then the next candle, if it goes up, I think not bad. Then this nice will be quite nice. Okay. Any other stocks? Okay, if not, conclusion, I think we are in a situation of weakening fundamentals. That means the numbers, the industrial production, a lot of the numbers are weakening, but at the same time, we have this, in US, we have the so-called silent QE4, I think I posted up on Facebook, and also we have recently a lot of brokerage allow them to allow free commission, okay, free commission. So I think every day there are a lot of account being open, okay, retail account being open. So this free commission thing may be the reason why we also have this like a bit of froth or bubble right now, okay, in the markets. Okay, so I'll do some research if I have about the new account being open because of this free commission. I think Charles Schwab has, you know, some of only in US. Okay, a lot of these brokers are giving free commission right now. So I think there is some like new money coming in, fresh money coming in the market. Okay, so if I have anything, I'll let you know. Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. I hope it's useful. See you next week. Bye.